Hey guys, my name is Matt. I'm with D. Fire Island Properties, and I'm super excited to show you my new listing, Spatenga Walk. Water Island is an exclusive community here on Fire Island made up of just about 50 homes. Spatenga Walk is situated within a private enclave made up of just about 4 homes known as Spatengaville. We are currently on the market at $2,450,000. Starting upstairs, this is your highest level of deck space where you will find an expansive entertainment area along with endless views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Great South Bay. Stepping inside, you will find an open concept layout that offers true indoor-outdoor living. Right along here is your living room that flows right into your dining room and your custom chef's kitchen. Over here in the kitchen, we have custom granite countertops, custom cedar cabinetry. We have a Wolf stove, a Wolf microwave, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator. Truly a chef's dream. Out here we have another deck space, small outdoor dining, great endless views of the Great South Bay all the way to the east part of Fire Island. Going back in the house, we'll head downstairs to the bedrooms. Beautiful ocean views throughout the entire floor. Every single window has views. Beautiful hardwood floors that flow throughout. And right in here is going to be your first bedroom with an ensuite bathroom that leads right out into the pool area. And you have what is proposed right now as a kid's bedroom, perfectly good sized room. And you also have sliding glass doors to the outside. Head over here to the utility room. A little mud room, some storage, and you have your washer dryer right here, your stackables. And then heading into here, currently it's set up as a utility room. It's been proposed to use this as a downstairs living space, dining, put a couch, TV, just so you have 2 levels of living. And then you follow the corner around and you come into the final bedroom, which is what we call the jumper room. You have an ensuite, queen-size bed, and 2 large sliders with bay views. And then we'll head into the master bedroom right over here. You have a large bathroom right off, and you have amazing views of the ocean and your outdoor pool and deck space. Right here you have your bathroom. It's going to be a Jack and Jill style bathroom. You come in here and you would enter back into the hallway. And right off the master bedroom you have these 2 huge sliding glass doors. You walk right out. Leads you to the lowest level deck, the pool deck, or it takes you back upstairs to the higher deck. Come down here to the pool deck, you have amazing views of the ocean, large size pool. Additionally, with the house, you have wraparound decks, so the entire first floor you can walk right around. You can exit from any single room and you can come out right here. So walking over to the bay side, you will find your private dock space along with endless views of the Great South Bay. This is truly the place to be to watch the sunsets here on Fire Island. Thanks for checking out my new listing with me, guys. My name is Matt with D. Fire Island Properties. We are currently on the market at Spatenga Walk for $2,450,000. Contact me for your private showing today.